Good morning from Disneyland. We're here with the full family today, besides one, almost everybody. Here to do some photos, do some rides. We have a Lightning Lane in about 20 minutes over at Indiana Jones. So we'll be doing that. And it's just going to be it'll be a shorter day. There's a lot of little ones, so we'll be here for just a little bit. But we're going to get as much as we can done and jump some rides and run around. So join us for some fun.
You have only to check your seat straps. Buckle up tightly now. Hello? Oh, my friends. The brakes may be needing a little adjustment, but easy on the curves.
You have chosen wisely. This path leads to timeless youth and you look into my eyes. Your path now.
Snakes, you guys are on your own.
Tourists. Why did it have to be tourists?
So, Indiana Jones, fun as always. More problems again, but that seems to be expected now. To the point that even the boulder was not spinning. So it wasn't a very fearful, frightening boulder. No. I don't know what we were running from. We could have just casually driven below it because it just was hanging out. It's not moving. It's not coming to us. Still a fun ride. Maybe eventually they'll go back and fix all the show elements. That's what I want to say. So 9 a.m. Our time was for 9:15. So by the time we walk over there, we should be good to go. So next is Space Mountain. Don't know how much of that you'll see, but we'll show what we can. Oh, that's bright! Oh. Space Mountain, always fantastic, always fun. You have a good time?
Yep, always do.
What?
Always do.
Always do.
Space Mountain's always you take it right.
I need when we're in Florida next time, as much as I hate to say this, I need to go try theirs so I can really compare the two. As far as I've heard, ours is much better.
Hello? Hello.
But we're on our way now to
That's what I was about to call and ask you.
Big Thunder. Let's go. The wildest ride in the wilderness.
Yeah, that one went really far.
It's the goat! Oh god. And down. It's a little chilly, so I get that. Like it feels good today. Anywho, we have lightning lanes for the hardest attraction to get a lightning lane for. I'll leave it for a second. I wanted you to just think and ponder, what could that be? What could that be?
Prize.
It's a small world. There we go. We did the hardest attraction to get a lightning lane for. It's so hard that you can actually just walk right on it if you don't have a lightning lane. But with that, there are 2 attractions left in the park that we have yet to use the lightning lane for. 3. The Splash Mountain, which we chose not to. We could have done it earlier. But it's a little chilly today. Like, it's not bad. It's 70, so it's really not bad, but it's a really, like, a little bit of a breeze. It's a little bit chilly of a 70. We haven't done Haunted Mansion, and we haven't done Smugglers Run. We were here for rope drop. We stopped to do the family photos this morning, so we didn't even get to start running to attractions till 8:35. I think is our first one we had. It's 10 o'clock. We have finished almost all lightning lanes by 10 o'clock. This is a good day. This is working out well. We have our next one picked at 10:45. That's Smugglers Run. And then after that, we've got a little treat ordered. We're going to try that out. And then I think I can successfully call this day complete. There was a lot of things done today. We could do some more. I don't know. We'll see where we're at that point. But yeah. Oh, too much.
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Boost.
Oh, God. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here.
Well, so that was good. We did Smugglers Run. Only a little bit of damage. Kenny learned real quick where the brake was after the fact. Oh, he never found the brake. Never mind. I thought he did.
I know the boost.
Looking forward to the next time I'm going to have a full crew of people and just like be loud, noisy. Oh, I love this attraction. Like, just because it's a lot of fun, especially when you have the right people with you.
It's so much fun.
So that brings us to 10:59, which is 11 o'clock. I would call this a successful day at the park. Gotta love the park, man. We're actually early for the holiday reservation by like 10 minutes. We have definitely made the $36 between the two of us for the lightning lanes very worth it today. Here at Jolly Holiday Bakery, we got the Halloween cake. That's very, very good. That is very, very rich. Holy macaroni. There's M&M's in it. This is a good dessert.
So the Minnie Mouse coming around the corner, that's the stuffed animal I've been looking for. Isn't she cute?
That was fun. We were on our way out and we caught a surprise cavalcade. Yeah, we did a little bit of shopping, spent a lot of money. Luckily not my money, but a lot of money still nonetheless. Ate some food, did some rides, had a good old day. It is 1:30 now, and for like the last hour we sat just talking with family who we ran into, and so that made it into a nice, easygoing day. So it's been real, it's been fun, which means it's been real fun. Till next time, guys. See you later.